Hello, in front of me I've got the Elder Scrolls Oblivion. In this video I'll show you how to get out of the jail. In the beginning you can simply serve your time and go to bedroll. Also, you can try to escape the prison. You've got only one lockpick, so try to not break it. Also, before trying to break it, you can quick save the game. If you're tired of trying or you've got low lockpicking level, you can also go to console and type unlock. Once it's unlocked, we have to find our gear. Unfortunately, guard sees us.
Just warming up, you pathetic worm!
And here is all of our stuff. Now we can run out of the prison.
Fighting! Stop! You fight! Then pay with your blood! Sharp! It's a fight you'll get!
On early time in the game, it is better to serve the time because we don't have sneak level and lockpicking level to escape the prison. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.